Hello po mga kababayan, mga manoy, mga manay, mga tugang. Ako po si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, journalist, broadcaster from Albay. So ngayon, on standby tayo para dito sa inaasahan natin na pagpapatake off. Magpapatake off na lang po, ang tagal-tagal pang gumalaw. Pasado alas 4 na. Galit si mamamayang liberal, incoming representative, former Senator Laila de Lima. Ginawa niyang tingi-tingi. Yung pagpapasumpa, yung pagpa-take off, ginawang take off, ginawang tingi-tingian niya ng mga senador. Una, mga kababayan nag-take off, si Chis Escudero. Tapos ngayong hapon, magte-take off na lang. Hindi pa masimulan po. Pasado alas 4 na. Sabi, alas 4 gagawin. Talagang dinidelay. Pagkatapos, bukas, yung pag-convene. Kasi sabi ni Chis Escudero, hindi pa niya na-convene as impeachment court yung Senado. Kinonstitute pa lang niya kahapon. You see? Pagkatapos, ipopost ninyo yung 19 days trial. Yung pagsumpa nga lang, inabot na kayo ng 2 araw. You see? Pero, hindi pa nagagawa, hindi pa nakakapagsimula. Pasado alas 4 na po. Yan o. Senator judges set to take oath for BP Sara impeachment trial. June 10. Ano na mga senador? Bakit kayo ganyan? Ito yung sinabi mga kababayan kanina ni Chis Escudero. Sabi dyan sa balita ng ABS-CBN. Escudero clarifies, impeachment court constituted but not yet convened. Ginawang tingi-tingi. Sinasadya talaga nila na i-delay. Iwan ko, baka iniintay mga kababayan na maglabas ng TRO yata yon yung final sa Supreme Court para hindi matuloy ang impeachment trial. You see? Pag hindi ninyo inayos yung trabaho, kayo dyan ang ma-impeach. Kaya lang, hindi man pwedeng impeach yung mga senador. Expulsion. Pag nag-people power. O, ito na siya. Pinukpok na yung gavel ni Chis Escudero.
Call on Senator Nancy Binay to lead the chamber in prayer.
O, dito muna tayo. Nagsisimula na mga kababayan. Yan sabi ni Chis Escudero kanina. Pag kinonbin mo, nagpukpok ka na, constituted. Constituted, ibig sabihin, pinorma na. Constituted dahil may presiding officer na. Bagaman hindi pa sumusumpa yung mga miyembro o ngayon yung panunumpa. Senado ang tinatanong. Ang Senado, pagpokpok ko ng martilyo, doon palang convened. Sa ngayon, constituted lang. Mula nung sumumpa kami noong 2022 at yung balansi noong 2019. Constituted na yon basta may majority. Pag nainis yung mga mamamayang Filipino, yan na gavel, ipokpok yan dyan sa ulo ninyo. Pag maagaw yan lumusob yung mga mag-people power yung mga tao sa inis sa inyo, maagaw yan na gavel, ipukpok yan sa ulo ninyo. Di ba pa?
Dalangin namin na sa huling mga araw ng ika-19 na Kongreso, bigyan mo kami ng karunungan at pag-aninaw sa aming mga pagpapasya. Pagkalooban mo po kami ng lakas ng loob at gabayan mo po kaming mga mambabatas na magpakita ng katapangan at katapatan sa aming sinumpaang tungkulin. Manaig nawa ang aming pagmamahal sa Pilipinas upang maitaguyod ang isang mas malakas at mas maunlad na bayan. Ang lahat ng ito aming itinataas sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Binay, Secretary will please call the roll.
All of members, the Honorable Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Antiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 21 senators present. Chair declares the presence of a quorum. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, I move that we dispense with the reading of the journal of the 52nd session, Tuesday, June 3, 2020, and consider the same as approved.
Any objection? Hearing none. Motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that we defer the approval of the journal of the 54th session, Monday, June 9, 2025.
Any objection? Hearing none. Motion is approved.
Before we continue, Mr. President, we'd like to acknowledge some guests in the gallery. Guests of Senator Joel Villanueva, our new OWA Administrator, Patricia Yvonne Kaunan, guests of Senator Bato de la
Dami
Rosa,
pang mga
Vice Mayor
tinitik
John
mga
Lester Tan,
kababayan.
Mohammed Bukid. Guest of
Tinitake
this
up na ibang bagay.
representation,
Hindi dumiretso na
Congresswoman
dun sa
Jam Baronda of Lone District of Iloilo City, Vice
You
Mayor
see?
Love Baronda of Iloilo City.
Yan, inis na po yung mga tao yan. Oh. Impeach, Inday, Lostay.
Move to consider on Thursday,
Cynthia Villar,
Number
stop moving.
2987, the bill on the
May
office of
to impeachment din.
State
Oh.
Council Act. So move, Mr. President.
Before acting on the motion,
Impeach now, Sara. Impeach, Inday, Lostay.
to acknowledge and welcome.
Asa pa kayo na boto lang kailangan ni Inday? Absuelto na siya. Ayan, sabi dyan. Oh.
Is there any objection to the motion?
May privilege sa speech si Bato de la Rosa.
Approve that 4 o'clock we should be taking our oath as senator judges.
Kaya lang biglang pumasok si Coco Pimentel.
Speech, Mr. President. So that was the motion approved by the body yesterday.
Parang gusto na naman kasi i-delay yung pag-take off ng mga senators.
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, we will be honoring that what was agreed upon yesterday, but this is a personal collective privilege, and any member of this August body can just stand up and avail of this collective of this
May pinaplano
of
na
this
naman
privilege
po.
hour, Mr. President.
Mr. President,
May
This is a privilege speech.
violation sa usapan kahapon.
This is a privilege speech.
Kaya
This is
nag-object
not
si
a privilege motion.
si Coco Pimentel.
My motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
Senator,
Pasado
I need to
alas
record the
4
time.
na.
It's 4:31 p.m. Mr. President.
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Mr. President,
4:29 na
it was
po.
very clear yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privilege speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday that I'm willing to take oath as a
Grabe talaga
member
po.
of the impeachment court.
Matindi itong Senado
provided
dito. Dapat dito talaga
let me first
i-abolish
deliver
na.
my privilege speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority
No,
leader
no,
yesterday.
Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath taking is not the convening of the court. It was very clear, Mr. President.
Several members are raising their hands. May I first acknowledge our Majority Floor Leader, Senator Tolentino. Thereafter,
Yung
our
mga
Deputy
kasurog
Minority
ni,
Floor Leader, Senator
ni Sara
Tiveros.
Tolentino.
Senator Tolentino may proceed.
With the permission of the gentleman. Mr. President, let me remind the gentleman that yesterday this representation moved to expunge from the records the word agreement precisely because this representation would want that all matter that arose yesterday should be expressed stipulations coming from the mandate of the Constitution. Yung agreement po siguro inalis na natin to reflect the solemnness of the proceedings yesterday. Kung ano po yun na pag-usapan,
Di yun nga po.
Mr. President,
Ang
siguro
mandato
yung
ninyo,
dalawang,
mag-take out na kayo.
ginoo na lamang.
Sabi
Ngunit,
sa konstitusyon.
magkasundo, pero that
Proceed
reflect
with
the word agreement.
forthwith.
Yun po lang yung
Proceed.
sinasabi ko, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. President,
Senator,
this
prior to
this is important because it's related. So, what I'm asking
Senator
to be,
Pimentel, you may proceed.
what I'm asking to be enforced is the motion approved already, Mr. President. So we had approved by the plenary. A motion was approved by the plenary. So yun lang.
Senator Antiveros is recognized.
On the motion of the minority leader, Mr. President, the motion to implement the approved motion. Napakahirap naman po magpatupad ng ganyang kasimple. Mr.
Correct.
President, under Section 3 of our Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the presiding officer shall administer the prescribed oath or affirmation to the members of the Senate then present and to the other members as they shall appear, whose duty it shall be to take the same. So yung pagka wala po o yung hindi pa po pagkasumpa ng ibang mga senador, hindi naman po hadlang sa mga present ngayon at manunumpa ngayon para magsimulang tuparin yung tungkulin namin bilang miyembro ng impeachment court. Kung nais po ng good gentleman from Davao mag-deliver ng privilege speech ngayon, maari naman pong ituloy na po yung pagpapatupad ng agreed motion kahapon, manumpa kaming lahat na iba sa inyo bilang presiding officer, and then pakinggan po natin ang privilege speech
Correct.
ng good gentleman from Davao, at pagkatapos kung nais niya ay pwedeng manumpa na ayon dito sa ating rules of impeachment, Mr. President. So
Mr.
sinusugundahan ko po yung motion ng minority leader na gawin na po natin yung approved motion kahapon. Salamat, President.
Chair would
Correct.
like to make some remarks acknowledging Senator De La Rosa. There was a prior motion made by the majority floor leader. There is no motion to second as of yet because we first have to dispose of the first motion made by the majority leader with respect to the recognition of Senator Bato. But we note the manifest. We will consider and take note of the remarks of Senator Ontiveros as a manifestation for the meantime. Now, the movement is here. The person who made the motion yesterday. Perhaps when I suspend session, you can discuss it. But for the record, there is no attempt whatsoever, and kindly, I hope people will refrain from making insinuations that there is an intent not to proceed with what was agreed upon yesterday simply because of the time. Because I was here at 4 p.m. and I waited until we had enough numbers for a quorum. And we will proceed as scheduled with respect to that. So whether Senator Bato, as will be discussed when we suspend, will speak first, or we will do what is the movement. Chair will suspend the session so that you can discuss. Session is suspended.
Grabe po, para magsusumpa lang, talagang nilalagay nila, purposely dinidelay. Nagdi-discuss pa sila ng ibang topic. Yung agreement nila kahapon, at 4 o'clock magko-convene sila para mag-take oath. Gusto muna mag-privilege speech si Bato de la Rosa. Yung privilege speech niya, pwede man niya gawin after na mag-take oath na muna yung mga senador. Tinitingi-tingi talaga po. Talagang kinakaladkad nila para i-delay ng i-delay. Maubusan na ng oras mga kababayan. Yan ang strategy nila ngayon. O tingnan ninyo, para mag-take oath, hindi magkasundo. Nag-agree na kahapon. Ganyan ang uri ng ating mga senador.